Mirka's dust extractors are designed to be used with electric sanders and hand sanding blocks. It is important to have a high standard of dust control in your workshop to lower the risk of damaging effects to your health and to save time in cleaning. Mirka have the L-class and the M-class dust extractors. You can choose the dust extractor based on your application. M-class dust extractors are used for professionals who are working on medium risk applications such as hardwood, paint, plaster and putty. L-class dust extractors are for low-risk substances like household dirt, sand and softwood sanding dust. The L-class models have a push-to-clean and auto-start function. We have two L-class dust extractors. The 1025 model is a more compact model. It is very light and easy to move around, but has slightly less power and less volume capacity compared with the 1230L model. The 1025 model is a good option if you're a hobbyist or if you're just starting out. If you work with dust frequently, we recommend you use the M-class dust extractor for a higher level of dust extraction. And as a plus, Mirka's M-class has auto filter cleaning, which means that the system auto cleans every 15 seconds, improving its performance. The M-class dust extractor also features the auto start function, which reduces wear on the motor and reduces noise. Mirka's 1230 models have a flat top for storage and wheels for easy maneuverability. Storage options include the Mirka case. These cases can be stacked on top of each other with their clever locking system. These cases are perfect for storing tools and abrasives or polishing gear. We also have the workstation, which has ample space for 2 sanders, abrasives, cases, and more. Both the cases and the workstation need to be fitted to the dust extractor via the case fastening accessory kit. Mirka's dust extractors can also be used with this handy cleanup kit. The kit comes with several attachments for various tasks.